excited right now to be here. Gorgeous, if it is your first time here, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Welcome to the Gorgeous family. This is a hair extension company. They sent this hair to me and I'm feeling it. I want to let you guys know that this is 100% human hair. Yes, 100% human hair. What with this hair, you can coil it, you can wash it, you can bleach it, whatever you want to do with this hair, girl, you're good to go. Go to their website, you're going to find all the shades you want. They have the one I'm wearing. This is 24 inches. I have in here 24 inches. It looks like 28. Yeah, color is natural black because my head, my front, you're seeing is my natural hair, and this is the wig. Oh, do you know the difference? You cannot see the difference. You think everything is my hair. So I took natural black. The color I'm wearing is natural black 1B, and it's the weight is 200 gram, and it's very, very light. It's lightweight. I don't even feel as if I have anything on right now. I did the unboxing of how the hair came and everything you're going to watch, and how I styled this hair. You're going to see the clip after this. I want to let you guys know I have a discount code for you guys. With that discount code, you're going to get 20% off. And also, I still want to let you guys know that with my discount code, because in their website they are always doing sales, they are always doing promotion. So by the time if you go to their website and promotion is going on, they are doing sales or they are doing promotion, my code will not work, because you cannot be doing promotion and the same time using my code to get another 20% off. But by the time you arrive there, there's no promotion going on. With my discount code, you will get 20% off. You can use the discount code anytime. It does not expire. Is there anytime you want to use it, you want to purchase from there, even if you purchase 20 times, 100 times, anytime you purchase, you can use my discount code and you get 20% off your purchase. So that is it. If you want to see how I slay myself with this Irresistible Me hair extension, keep on watching. And please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, click on that subscribe button and that bell icon. And please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. I am wearing my natural hair. This is my natural hair. So it came like this. When you open, this is their website. Their website is www.irresistiblegram.com. That's their website. So they sent me this hair extension. When you open, it's like this, and it came with a card, and this is the hair. So this is the hair extension. They are clippable. Anyway, the hair extension are clippable. It's something you just have to clip to your natural hair. That's not going to give you stress. So it came in two sides. You see, this is the first side, which is this one. I have opened it to see before. And there is a net. They wore a net. And this is 100% human hair. It's natural hair. See, you can see. Oh, let's brush it and see. Look at this. Oh God. So this one is natural, 100% natural hair. This is 24 inches. You see how long it is. So inside, okay, is 10 pieces inside. It's very, very easy. You just have to clip your hair. You guys, I'm going to demonstrate how I'm going to clip this into my hair. You guys are going to see. So this is it. These are the clip. You just open like this, pop out like this, and this one came with this one has 4 clips on this one. I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I still have one here in this corner, which is this one. So all together is about 10 pieces inside. Came with some extra clips. Let me bring them out so that you guys can see. demonstrate something for you. See, it's really clip to your hair that it cannot pull out. You see that? So I just want to demonstrate that for you guys to see that once you clip it, it's there. It's going nowhere. It's unshakable. It will just remain there. So that is it. Very easy to do irresistible me hair extension. You guys see, with my hair, you saw the beginning when I started, my hair was very light and short, but you guys see, you can see how long my hair is, and I'm feeling it. For you to get this hair extension, it's very simple. I'm going to leave all the link, all the info, everything you need about it to lay your hands on this. It is very easy, very easy to do. Just clip. You guys saw the way I clip and clip in those things. You just clip, and that is it. Thank you so much, Irresistible Me Hair Extension, for sending this to me. I really appreciate, and I am feeling myself. So that is it, guys. I hope you guys hurry down to their website www.irresistibleme.com to get your own. Bye.